Are you having trouble locating the best services for custom CNC machining? Create a Proto Rapid System Limited is the only place to look. Their outstanding production quality, which precisely matches your needs, sets them apart. Plus, their specialized and bespoke solutions guarantee that your project will turn out just as you have envisioned. They provide accurate and timely quotes so you may promptly manage your budget. To keep your project on schedule, you can rely on our dependable and effective service. For all of your bespoke CNC machining requirements, partner with them. To know further, browse createproto.com.